So here's a little bit of nostalgia for you. Here we are at West Houston Airport. I spent a lot of time out here in my 30s flying. Actually, it's West Houston. It's called Lakeside. And it's funny, they're all lined up here. The little blue one, Cessna 150, this is not the actual plane, but it's the same color that we had. Myself, Jerry, and Tiger, we co-owned it. And that was the first plane that we had. And I got my private pilot's license actually in a plane like that. Right next to it, my friend Hank, who was a retired Pan Am captain, he owned a 172 like that. It was tied down pretty much in that very same spot. I flew it for a long time with him. He was a great friend and let me share his plane with him. And then if you go over here, the little red and white Cherokee, that was another plane that we traded up to from the little blue 150, Jerry, Tiger, and I. That's not the exact plane, but it looks like the very same one we had, same paint scheme. It was also tied down in that very spot, and that's the one I got the instrument rating in. So, love it out here at the airport. Like I said, I spent a lot of time out here when I was in my 30s, flying, learning about aviation, learning about flying, owning airplanes. You know, the happiest day is when you buy one, and the second happiest day is when you sell it. So, just thought I'd pass that along to you guys. Hope everybody's having a great day. We'll talk to you soon.